Good evening, this is Mr. Touchton, and today I want to talk to you about the coordinate plane. Once again, we went over a previous video where we just went over one single quadrant, but this time we're going to do all four quadrants. And so what we're going to do is we're going to first talk about each one of them and why there's all these different signs right here and what those signs mean, and then we're going to go ahead and label those points off to the side. So first I'm going to start with the one that we've already been over, this one right here. And so you notice there's two addition signs, or positive signs. So what that means is you've got positive numbers on your y-axis going up this way, and then you've got positive numbers on your x-axis going that way. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Anything that falls in here is going to be two positive numbers, a positive x and a positive y. Remember, your x coordinate comes first. Now let's go to this one down here. This one we have a positive and a negative sign. And so what that means is our x is going to be a positive number, and then our y is going to be negative because it's down here where these negative numbers are on my y-axis. Okay, so that's pretty simple to understand. And then we're going to go over to this one right over here, and we see two negative signs. What that means is it's going to be a negative x because it's falling somewhere over here, and then a negative y because it's falling down here. And finally, we're going to go over to this one, and we see it's going to be a negative x and a positive y. Now that's pretty simple to understand now that we've seen all the other ones, because x is going to be negative, it's going to be on this side, and then y is going to be up here somewhere, so it's going to be a positive number. So we're going to have a negative x and a positive y. So we're going to look at these 4 points right here, A, B, C, and D, and we're just going to plot them. So A is two positive numbers, so it's going to be somewhere up here. So we go over 1, 2, 3, and then for our y, up 1, 2, 3. And we'll label that one A, and it falls in this one. It's positive 3, and it's going to fall in this quadrant. Next, we're going to go to B. B is 3, negative 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our x, which is 3, and we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to drop down 1, 2, and that is B. 3 is for x, and negative 2 is for the y coordinate. So as you can see, we have 3, negative 2 for B. Now let's go to C. C is going to be negative 4, negative 3. So it's going to be this negative, negative quadrant right here. So we're going to take it and we're going to go out 1, 2, 3, all the way to negative 4. And then we're going to go down to negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so that's point C. It's negative 4, negative 3. We end up right here in this quadrant right here that's made up of both negative points. And so finally, we're going to go to letter D, which is in the quadrant that is negative x, positive y. And we've got negative 2, 1. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over negative 1, negative 2, and then up 1. And that's going to be labeled D. So we've gone over all four quadrants now. And I hope this helps you in your work today. If you need a little bit extra help, you can access this video. Or if you're just browsing the web, just looking around, maybe this will help you understand the coordinate plane. So I hope this helps, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much.